background music for this video was created by a friend. I linked his channel down below, make sure to check it out. Hey guys, good morning. So today I want to update you on my butterfly bushes. I'm not sure if you remember, I pruned these in March, like this high. So they have grown a lot. We had a really nice year this year. We had so much rain, it's incredible. I had to water them like twice all season. So I really love butterfly bushes because they don't require much attention. They need to be pruned once a year, and deadheaded in the summer. I will do that later on today. They don't require much water, so they are really awesome for this garden, especially that we usually don't have much rain except for this season. I'm really sorry for the chainsaw sounds from the neighbors, but you know how it is. So the first one here is called Burgundy, and it has burgundy flowers, as the name says. These are really pretty and have a really sweet smell. So the next one here, let's find a flower that is not dead. This is called Black Knight or Dark Knight, I'm not sure. It has dark purple flowers with an orange center and really pretty. So the next one and the third one here is called Pink Delight, and it has huge, beautiful pink flowers with an orange center. And we have a bee here from the neighbors. Two of my neighbors have bees, and they are here a lot in the garden. They enjoy my flowers. They really love it here. As I said, these have huge flowers, bigger than the rest of the varieties, and a really sweet smell. So back in March when I was pruning this, I couldn't remember the name of this variety, but in the meantime I found the name tag, and it's called Nanho Blue. The flowers are a little bit smaller than Pink Delight. These are light purple with an orange center and are really beautiful and smell really awesome. And last but not least, here we have another Pink Delight, and lots of the flowers are dead already. Oh my god, this is full of bees. Incredible. So now I'm going to deadhead these. Look at the bees, guys. It's so awesome that we have these. Okay, so when deadheading, make sure not to hurt the new flowers. So as you can see, we already have buds forming here. So you just need to cut this at the base, and that's it. So deadheading can be done as many times as necessary, and the dead flowers also have a really nice smell, so I usually create potpourri out of them. Okay, let's get to work. my god, look at this. So many dead flowers. But the result is awesome. The bushes are fresh and prepared for the next wave of flowers.